So, Thursday, you guys learned about multiplying and dividing integers. So if it's like 25 divided by -5, what's our answer? What's 25 divided by -5? -5. Good. Of course. What kind of question is that? What's -3 times -2? -3 times -2? +6. So why is the first one a negative and the second one a positive?
Because one is the same and one is different.
What do you mean? So what makes this, let's break it down. What makes this negative?
There's one negative and one positive.
Okay, so they're different. They're one negative, one positive. Good. What makes this positive?
There's two negatives.
There's two negatives. Good. Yeah, super Dorito man, right? Hopefully you use that, right? Does this work for adding and subtracting? No. Adding and subtracting is completely different. We spent a whole week on adding and 3 days on subtracting. This, it's a lot faster and a lot easier, hopefully. All right. Now, Monday, what's the absolute value of -12? 12. Just 12. That's it. What's the absolute value of 5? 5. Not negative. Adrian, focus. -12. The absolute value of -12 is 12. The absolute value of 5 is 5. Absolute value is a distance. Can you go a -1 mile? No. Can you walk -5 blocks? No. So even if you're going backwards or forwards, your answers will always be positive. I did take off points on your worksheet if you got those off. Good morning. This is Miss Lomelli. I'm horribly sick. I know, te digo. I did yesterday. Oh, oopsie. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Cuál laptop? Oh, ahí la tengo. Sí. Tengo suficiente para los niños que tengo. Sí, para el Spider Lab. Queremos hacer what is that program that we need? Photoshop y Illustrator para los niños que están usando el Spider Lab. Como 5 o 6. Okay. Okay. Ajá. ¿Y eso es diferente, menos aplicaciones o menos poder? Okay. Ajá. Okay. Sí, me parece bien la idea. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfecto. Okay. All right, thank you, Juan. Bye. Mark the date. October 18th, they said they would give us 5 laptops, not new ones, recycled, that might have, hey, we'll take it at this point. Illustrator and Adobe, and then you guys can do Canva. So like I'm imagining like 1 laptop per group. And you know how you guys sometimes get frustrated with Canva and not being able to move things around. So if you have a laptop, it should be easier, right? Let's see how long it takes. October 18th.
Today?
That's today. Well, today is the day they said that they would give them to us. When will they be delivered?
Tomorrow.
Oh, you're so funny. Okay, so Why is it negative? So why is this answer negative?
Because it's negative outside of the line.
Good. So when it's outside, it's negative. That's the only time it's negative. Because some of you were writing negatives here. Terrible. Just terrible. Which I wrote you a note on the worksheet. So if I didn't give you 50 points and I wrote you a comment, it's because you were doing them wrong. All right. What did you guys learn yesterday? You didn't watch a video?
We did this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I didn't leave you a worksheet. That was bad. Okay, so what do I do here? When they're in the absolute value bars, individual bars, what do I have to do first? Yeah, you have to do the math, right? The absolute value. So what's the absolute value of 5? 5 plus what's the absolute value of negative 4? 4. So the key is it's individual. Individual, so you drop them down. Then you do the math. Is this still a negative 4? No, now it's a positive 4. And now I have 5 plus 4, which equals
9.
Done. But what if, I don't know if I showed you this in the video. What if they're together?
You do the math inside first.
Okay, good. I did show you. Yes. We're not losing, learning. Okay, so you see how it's like all together? Mm-hmm. So if it's all together, you do this math, like we did 3 weeks ago. What's 5 plus negative 4? 1. It's still in the bars. And then you ask yourself at the end, what's the absolute value of 1?
1.
Then your final answer is just 1. I know it's like, but Miss Amelia, it's the same answer. I know, sometimes it's not. But here it is. So, what we have to remember is, if it's individual, absolute value negative 6 plus the absolute value negative 2. If they're individual bars, you do the individual math. What's the absolute value of negative 6? 6 plus what's the absolute value of negative 2? 2. What's 6 plus 2?
I was in that room getting a card. He said, I guess you want one of these.
Yep.
Hey, can you move your backpack, Bloggy?
Thanks, everybody. All right. Did we get that right? We got that right. Oh, we're going to get the same.
First, or you want me to get the boxes for you?
Sure. So the boxes are located.
You just tell me what to do. I'm here for you.
All right,
Box.
they're doing that problem.
You just tell me whatever you want.
Oh, that.
And the first box he told me to get, I go, well, it's open. He goes, oh, it should be good. And then we saw it said not working. You doing for scissors? Am I going back into the car?
Wait, where did you go? I don't even know.
I'll try to take it here.
Her best bud. Her best buddy. Her cousin. Her secret brother. His secret brother. I do.
I want some Dream Box Blue
I don't remember what he looked
How many?
I'll tell you.
Like all 5?
Like today. Yeah. After class. After class. Yeah. 'Cause I don't know who he is. Okay. I just told you. You got like 4 or something. Oh my god, what's that?
I didn't even do my Dream Box.
Wait, let me check. I haven't done it.
Oh, yeah, no, it's more longer.
You want me to say it out loud? Like, some people know they can.
I've only done one.
I forgot to do the edit puzzle. Oh my god,
No, it's not due.
Sebastian, no.
It's like today.
Where the frick is Dream Box?
When is it due?
makes sense.
Oh, bro, the Dream Box. The end of like 22 minutes.
So now I just don't keep Me too, for Mr. Hey! Oh, you know they changed the roar? Oh, yeah. Yeah, they used to be. Because of this girl.
Long ago on the outside.
She
There's gonna be a few tricks though, because yeah, this isn't, I thought there's a bigger one than this too, this one marked.
I don't know, I think
I had a smaller one, and marked for this one. But this
Okay, what is it? Tell us what it said. What? Alright, the pledge of allegiance.
Isn't this a special day?
Yeah.
Such a special day. All right, what did you guys get for the last one?
8.
All right, cool. All right, any questions? No? Okay, awesome. What do we want to do first? You want?
I think we should have free time.
No, you've already had a lot of free time.
we didn't. No, we didn't.
Were you all super busy?
We were doing the math. I was busy dying and coughing.
Same.
We were busy doing our other. Can I pass them out?
Yeah.
Me too. We can.
Samantha, you can help me. You can help me with the homework.
Hey, should I ask Marco, is the spot close to 5? Or what do you mean? Because you need to bring it back, too.
I do. Not yet. When it's time. Gosh.
Hi, Miss Miguel. The fakers. Oh yeah, the fakers.
Let me ask him.
Yeah, ask him.
Emma.
Any close place I can store some boxes All right. Have you been to the doctor?
No. I don't want to go to the doctor. I don't like the doctor.
Well, careful. I mean, it's very similar, but no. Like, it's like so close. All right. Here we go. Thank you guys for passing those out. Okay. Absolute value. Muchas gracias. All right. So, some of these have bars, some of them don't. So you do what's inside the bars first. They're kind of like parentheses. 7 plus 2? 9 in the bars. Take it out. What's the absolute value of 9? 9. Minus 4. So you do the math. You get 9. Make sure you're on the right side. The whole should be on the left. The whole should be on the left. Whole should be on the left. Whole should be on the left. Whole should be on a very similar problem on the back, but there's more negatives, so be careful. 9 minus 4. So our final answer is... All right, let's do number 4. Let's go straight down. So let's do what's inside the bars. What's 9 plus 1? 10. In the bars, what's the absolute value of 10? 10. Plus 8 plus 4? 12. In the bars, what's the absolute value of 12? Just 12. What's 10 plus 12? 22. All right, number 7. What kind of problem is that overall?
A division.
It's a division problem. So we first have to do what's on top. What's 5 plus 9 in the bars? 14. What's the absolute value of 14? 14. 1 plus 1? 2. Absolute value of 2 is just 2. So we have just 7. It looks hard, right? Definitely looks like a complicated problem. But then when you do the math, it's actually really easy. All right, number 10. Number 10. All right, so do we do anything with the 10? Nope. 10 minus 1 plus 8, 9. Absolute value of 9 is 9 plus 6. Now, are we going to subtract or are we going to add first?
I was gonna ask you a question before I changed that.
All right. What's the bottom?
You really know it. Trader. Not you, Adrian.
I was in the wrong one.
Yeah, Mr. Rico.
Thanks.
Mr. Miguel, we need you. And you're a traitor. Oh. Not mean to. What are you saying? We're just screaming it. Right, Cassie, you should put. You put 10 minutes in our exercise. Oh, plus 6, sorry. We're almost leaving. We're almost leaving. At what time? Already? Anna's 58. Yay. It's like 20 minutes. I mean 10 minutes. We leave at... Oh, hold up. We leave at 8:58. At 8:58. It's short then. Yeah, 8.
5? Did you guys get 5 or 10?
I got 9.
How did you get 5?
I got 2.
I got 7.
I got 7, yeah. I got 7.
Bro, how?
I had a lot. I did.
All right, 13 looks scary. But is it?
No.
Just check right here.
What's 15 plus 7? 22 divided by 2 plus 9.
11.
11 plus 11. So we're going to do the division first. What's 22 divided by 11? 2 plus 11? 13. They just look harder. All right, to the back. Which are harder? All right. Number 1. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. Number 1 in the back. What's -7 plus -2 in the bar? Okay, so it's -9 in the bars. What's the absolute value of -9? 9. Okay? So we get -9 in the bars, take it out 9. Minus 4. 5.
That was it.
No. You just, these are hard because you got to remember like 5,000 different things at once. Like if they're 2 negatives, what do? Do I add or subtract if they're 2 negatives? I add. And yeah. All right, let's do number 4. What's 9 plus 1? 10 in the bars, so we get 10. Plus, okay, what's -8 plus 4? -4 in the bars. Now take it out. What do you get? 4. Okay. The bars are problems. If you see absolute value bars, that's an actual problem. What's 10 plus 4? 14. Okay, do number 7. Woo, I like number 7. I don't like subtraction. Ah, there's subtraction. I hate it. Change it. change as subtraction. Because can I do 5 minus 9? No. So I can't do 5, and I can't take away 9 from 5 fingers. So when you can't do it in your fingers, you have to rewrite it. So this makes me sad.
I got 2.
5 plus negative 9 in the bars.
Are we just doing this side? Negative. Are you okay? You're good?
Yeah, sure, I'm just dying. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just tell Rocky I love him. Just kidding. All right. What's 5 plus negative 9?
That's 4.
Negative 4 in the
Why is it
bars.
negative?
How is it negative?
Because the 9 is bigger. Why? I mean, the 9 has
Thank you. Thank you.
The 9 has
Thank you for like being horrified by her answer.
The 9 has more.
9 has more. So it is negative 4 because the 9 has more, but it's still in the bars, so we take it out and we get 4. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, so we know it's 2. So what's 4 divided by 2? 2, which you got a long time ago, which is good. All right. You want to try number 10 on your own?
Actually, yeah.
Hopefully. All right. Now you do number 10. I should take attendance. Anybody absent? Was there anybody absent Thursday, Monday? Nobody absent Monday or Thursday? Okay.
What? Oh, I was on Monday.
Friday's fine, because Friday you didn't turn in anything other than the do now picture. So make sure I don't know if you did that. All right, number 10. What do we got?
23.
23.
Yep.
Do we all agree? So we get 10 plus 7 plus 6. Yeah, 23. Did you all get 7 in the middle?
7. Oh, yeah.
Right here. Rewrite it. All right, number 13. That'll be the last one for today.
Yeah.
Make sure you draw your bars just a little bit bigger than your ones and your problems so you see them. So I had to rewrite each subtraction problem. So you rewrite each subtraction problem. So things that we learned last week at the beginning of the week, we get to use today. What is 7 plus negative 5? 7 plus negative 5.
Negative 5. Negative 8.
Two.
What?
I think it's 2.
I got negative 8.
Yeah, it's negative 8. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, what's 1 plus negative 9? Negative 8 again, which is 8. 8 divided by 8? 1. 1 plus absolute value of negative 11? Final answer? We ready? We're good?
Wait. It's 58.
58. And right now it's 54.
Oh, it's 4 minutes.
4 minutes. How special.
I said you beat.
Homework? No. No homework.
No homework.
No, I mean, not that homework.
I think we should have.
Okay. Can you only do the even? Even. Front and back. What does that mean?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
So only evens on the homework. Do them all. I just think it's a little too much.
Oh, wait, no, we didn't get one.
Nice. Even. On all of them. Front and back, even. Front and back, even.
What if we do all of those?
Cool.
I'm getting points.
Now.
What?
Right there. Thank you. On.
No, you're